Hey yo guys, MinerJP here and today we're back for another video. As you guys can probably see from here, is that today we're going to solve a 5x5 Rubik's Cube. And yeah, so let's get straight onto it. So scramble it. Alright, and we have our mixed cube right here. So I'm basically going to start solving it. This might take a little bit while. I'm still kind of deciding if I should speed the video up. Nah, I don't think I need to speed it up. I mean, you guys can watch a whole 5-minute video without quitting, right? Right, guys? Okay, you know what, let's just get solving. So, get the timer. So, expecting... Alright. Okay, sorry guys, that was my mom. Well, let's continue our video. So, have our timer here. Expect the gain. Alright, ready, set, go. Where is it? Oh. Okay, sorry about that. I just noticed that the video wasn't recording again. Alright, let's continue on with this video. Okay. Alright, my arms are getting tired from reaching over the tablet. Alright, but here's my time. 780. There, it's better. 7 minutes and 28 seconds, which is kind of average because my time of solving a 5x5 ranges around from 4 minutes to 8 minutes. So, yeah, and usually, or the average would be like 5 minutes, but I didn't get 5 minutes this time, which is sad. And letting you guys have to watch like 9 minutes of video of just someone solving a 5x5. So, yeah, I'm sorry. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did like it, please leave a like. And if you like the videos that I produce, please subscribe. And also share my videos so I can be more popular. I'm not forcing you, but yeah. So, this is MinerJP. Peace out.